In this video, we'll explain you the best investment that you can do as a teenager. Because I've seen that a lot of young people don't know about investments, and I was the same too. I was not interested about investments, but then once I started my business, I started learning about investment, and I know right now what is the best and most profitable investment for a teenager, and I want to give you my answer in this video. As I said before, a lot of young people don't know about investments because you don't speak about investment with your friends, with your family, and even at school it's not taught investment. The first time that I heard about investment was just from other people about real estate investing, but the first time that I learned something really serious and real about investment was just around 18 years old, where I started following online successful people that they teach me about investments. But not in school and not in other places I have ever heard about investment and how they works. And this is a big mistake because in school they don't teach nothing about money, but in life you need to make money and you need to do smart investments in order to make more money, be more relaxed, and pretty much have your money that work for you. And the definition of investment is pretty much that you use a certain amount of money, you put that amount of money in some assets, and then you will earn more money in the future. This is pretty much what an investment means, and it's not buy luxury clothing, buy a car, buy a house or some other stuff. Yes, buying a house, it can be an investment if you rent the house to other people. A car, yes, you can use the car for business purpose or to resell the car and have a profit. That it can be an investment. But if you buy a Gucci belt or if you buy a car just to show off, it's not an investment. Yes, it will make you happy, but it will not make you more money. Otherwise, it will take a ton of money from your pocket. And the biggest problem is that if you don't know something, you are scared about it, you will never know it, and then you will pretty much have fear about investing, and you will never invest. But by understanding how investment works and what are the best investments that you can do, you can start today investing the money that you have to pretty much earn more money into your future. Because I know a ton of people that have made investment that they call investment and they have lost their money. But if you know exactly what you do, you will never lose your money because you will know the exact way on how you can invest your money. So nobody can take that asset from you and you will earn 100% more money in the future. And in order to ensure a great future and a great financial freedom around 30 and 40 years, you need to start today, maybe around 15, around 20, around 25 to invest your money. Because saving money without purpose, just for saving, it has no sense. But the purpose of saving money is to invest, because by investing money, you will make that money work for you. And maybe if today I have maybe an income of $3,000, I am just making an example, and I invest $10,000, and then maybe in 2 years I will have an income of $6,000 that pretty much have covered in 2 or 3 months my initial investment. And the best way to invest your money as a teenager is to invest into yourself, invest into your mindset, in learning a skill, investing to meet new people, to go to seminar, really improve yourself by reading books, buying programs, following mentors, because this is the best way on how you can make more money in the future. It's something that you have control 100%, because you can completely control yourself, and then nobody can take away this from you. If you maybe buy a car to resell, someone can come to your house and steal the car, and then you will end up losing all your money. But if you learn, for example, the skill of copywriting, nobody can take that skill from you, but you can sell that skill to other people, to business owners, online, and a ton of other ways. For example, I've learned the skill of online marketing to manage and grow social media for companies, from digital marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, on YouTube, and also to create website, coding, design, and now I'm able to sell all this knowledge, skill, and services to my clients. I own a social media marketing agency, and investing in myself was one of the best investments that I had, because there are 3 levels of investments. The first one is to invest into yourself until you can create a business. Then once you have your business, continuously to invest into yourself, but invest also into your business to improve the service, improve the quality, to promote your business. And then once you start making more money into your business, you end up saving more money, and then is the time to invest in assets, for example, real estate. So if you are a beginner and you want to start your business journey, you need to first of all invest into yourself. At this moment, I am in the second step. I have my own business and I keep investing in me and into my business. Right now, my priority is to grow my income, so I will have a ton of money to invest in other assets and in other stuff. And depending on your personality, it's not important how you invest that money into yourself. You can show that it can be through books, as I said before, courses to shape the right mindset, to understand the perspective of money, to learn maybe a new skill about ads, copywriting, or video editing, or what you want. And make sure that it's a high income skill. It's not something simple, but it's something a little bit difficult that nobody knows. So you will become more valuable and you will end up earning more money. And if you already have a business or already have an income, in this video right here, I show you how you can make extra money. And it's really, really simple. I see you there.